wears many hats, agus galore Perry brogi. Drifor, Ini, Maher, Ultra, Moontor, Banon T. She's a pilot, a doctor, an engineer. She's whatever she wants to be. Phenomenal woman. Shinny. Ismo ban in Isha Awan. Pelador, Cleha every Sunday. Ibert son the man, son a Kunte, son fame. She's a hun, a Ibert the hun. Dinna den Akma or Peladori, Dashir at Nephew. She's a 10, a knockout, Durnali, láthair gach law agus fós. Irene she. She's Katie Taylor, champion Mahorpa, champion on Dowen. It's more on sports-y. It's leach more sports-y. Tá cusa intacha aquí. It's intach an cusan pór-y. Ní hain inu. It's ban-y. She's an expert at deflecting unwanted attention, perfecting the art of rejecting without collecting enemies. Ban gano. Ag ober luan gehina for the man. 10 hours a day in a glass box with a pack of jocks who communicate chiefly in locker room talk. She tunes it out, works hard round the clock. Call her bossy if you want. She'll soon be the boss. She's a fast woman. Arabia suis na parke. No surprise, she's been running all her life from stereotypes following from ancient times, ingrained in even her own mind. Hochfiera anish, ni rehin she ahilla. She tackles those stereotypes head on. There she, Tom Gwynn. It's ni winning she shindium, curran she lum. It's lutasine le passion, agus ni hainam, her spatial fashion. There's nothing wrong with being bottle blonde. Painting my nails doesn't make my arms less strong. I am all you can imagine and more beyond. And rudnach féidir, ní féidir. Bín a dorú legi tra, gur bhí si hiri déanamh amach an red ein bag isteach andy go seanna club na bhar. And rudnach féidir, ní féidir. Ach tá siise có crua leis an nímond san áine a láb. Íhananta iste, madna calua, dígris leúnach, biú an dua. Chuir she san arach agus buinhí she san ór. She's overcoming hurdles like Derval O'Rourke. She's Stephanie Roach kicking goals going viral. She's on the hockey team in the World Cup final. And I stand in awe of all Maná like her, atá Tógáil and Mally Hain, paving the way. An rud nar féidir trá, is féidir inise. Féach is féidir